Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use powerful tools for your skills and you can improve your skills. So let's get started with this thing because I want to show you how these things work. In my selection list I have selected the first one, which is keybr.com. keybr.com is the most popular website to use your typing skills and all those things. You can improve through this, but this is the most powerful tool. Like, you can use these all things using keybr.com. You can type everything. It will give you some random examples. You can click here to activate and you can start typing here. This is the you can sign in here to save your performance, and it will show how much you're progressing, typing test skills and high score. It will provide everything for you. This is the best website to improve your typing skills. I recommend this keybr.com for you. After keybr you have CodePen.io, which is very good software for beginners. So you can use this CodePen.io for coding purposes. You don't need any softwares like Atom and Visual Studio Code. For beginners, it is the best software I recommend. For example, I will show you this explanation mark, and I can bring the boilerplate here. And once I start coding here, like suppose I have H1. If I type hello world, let me check. Hello world. Look at this. You can add some italic font size, emphasize. You can add these things here to make this font look like italic type. After CodePen.io we have Figma here. Figma is used to design your user interface, like UX designs. You can use them here and you can make some designs for your future websites, like different websites. If you want to, you have creativity skills, you can use this Figma here because it works for both UI and UX designs, so that you can use this. I recommend you to use this website before you're creating a website for your client or someone. You can use this website. After that we have Webflow. Webflow is similar to Figma, but the thing is that it is similar to Dreamweaver and all. You can just drag and drop the thing which you need. If you want navigation bar or something, you can just need to drag and drop here. This works like fantastic, but you have to learn this how the Webflow work. There are so many videos outside there. You can just go for that and you can check how the Webflow work, and you can learn how it gonna make change, like how you're gonna learn everything here in Webflow through time. You just need to practice everything. I recommend this is the best website which I came across the internet, because you can easily drag and drop and you can create many different websites which you like. They have this thing, all those things here. They have made this very beautiful software to work with it, and you can use it for creating new websites. By the way, after all, I have the last and final website here, which is I used to create algorithms. You have everything here. You can have this all these diagrams. You can use this and you can make an algorithm, charts and everything. You can use this appsdiagram.net. This is the best website to create fast algorithms for your work, and you can use this, and you can get output from this thing. And this is one of the most popular website. So I think I'm done with these websites. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will come across with new websites one more time. So happy holiday and take care. So support me and subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.